Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Okay, in this video, I just want to thank you guys. We finally got monetized, finally got over 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank everyone who pushed that subscribe button. I really could not have done it without you. And to all my subscribers who have not, to all the people who have not subscribed, please go ahead and push that subscribe button. And today is a special day for me. Today is my birthday on this video, May 27th. So wish me happy birthday by pushing the subscribe button. Okay, on to today's video. We got the Champion 4500. It has a 4500 watts starting and 3500 running watt. The 4500 watt generator is that perfect size generator. It's not too big, it's not too small. This generator can run everything inside your RV. You'll have no problem running everything inside the RV. One AC, not two AC. You starting everything inside your RV. Okay, so it does come with the RV plug. It has two 110, 120 plug, two USB. This generator is ultra quiet, 61 dB, and it will run for 14 hours. Guys, you get 14 hours runtime on this generator. And my best feature about this generator is that it is remote start enabled. So it comes with a remote. You could just push that button from your RV, get your generator started, and get your day started. You don't have to run outside and start the generator, run back inside and shut it off, all that stuff, okay? Just push that remote, you're good. Okay, let's go ahead and get the generator out of the box, and I'll go through some of the features with you, and we'll see what it can run when we do the test. Okay, guys? Thanks again for pushing that subscribe button and getting us monetized. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot. Okay guys, so this is the Champion 4500 generator. It's an inverter generator. Super quiet, remote start. Love that feature. Okay, let's go ahead and go through some of the main features I like about this generator. First of all, it has this awesome handle. With a generator this size, you have to have a handle, hands down. You gotta have a handle. Wheels. You gotta have wheels to move this thing around. Access port for the oil. You could check your oil right there. You don't need to take off the whole panel. It has an access port. And when you change the oil on this generator, it has this cool feature. It has a little hose. You just pull this little hose out, unscrew it, you can change the oil. No mess. Tuck it back in when you're done. It does have pull start also, guys. Remote pull start, and you can also start it right here with this feature right here. Okay, this is the compartment where the battery is located. You got your battery right here. Just type this in, lock it. Okay, so this would be the side. You pull this cover off so you can service your generator. There's two screws. One. Two. Okay guys, so this is the Champion 4500 inside. You got spark plug, real easy to change your spark plug right here. Air filter, carburetor. You know, it's real. You can see a battery right here. You see that battery sign? So you're gonna get this cable and then the other battery sign. Remove the safety covers and just connect them together. That's it. Tuck this back in nicely. That's all you have to do with the Champion. You don't have to pull the battery out, get all complicated. You just look for the two battery sign, connect those two cables together. Put your top back on. Now, Go ahead and put your screw back on. The generator still has these two handles right here for lifting, okay? It has a fuel gauge on top, your gas, spark arrestor, so it is park safe. You could, if you don't have this spark arrestor, you cannot run this generator at like your, most of your RV parks or natural or state parks. So you gotta have this spark arrestor. This one has it. Let's go through some of the features in the front. Okay guys, so Champion 4500, this is your remote. On, start, off. I love this covers, this rubber covers. Keep the water off the reset switch. So you got your RV ready plug. You got your two 120 plugs. The generator is still parallel capable, so you can get up to 7,000 watt by plugging two 4500s together, and you'll get the 9,000 starting, 7,000 running if you parallel this generator with another one. Your start, manual start. It has this awesome gauge right here. Electric choke. That's for the remote. Eco mode. Load gauge. See if you're running at 100% or 50%. Always recommend running your generator at 50% or lower. It just gives it better life, gives it a better lifespan, and helps your generator run quieter. That's your power. Power on, off. And your two USBs. Okay guys, so that's the generator. Champion 4500. Let's go ahead and get the oil and everything in it, and we'll start her up. Okay guys, so the Champion does come with its own oil, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in. It's a 1030. Just go ahead and put all that in. The oil is pre-measured, so you just dump all the oil in. All right guys, we got the oil in the Champion. Everything's good. Okay, we'll take it outside, we'll put some gas in it and fire it up. Okay guys, but before you start your Champion, flip it up on the back. All right, put something on the back, and you got to remove these 4 bolts on the bottom to release the engine mount. Okay, so you unscrew those, remove this red tab, keep the bolts and the tabs out, and that's how the Champion will stay. That releases the engine. Okay, so do this step before starting it. Once you remove these tabs and nut, you should be able to start the Champion. Okay. That's the main switch, the main battery switch. So you would hit this switch. If you were going to start it manually, you would just flip this dial to start and push this button. Really quiet generator. You go to your, is that eco mode right here? That's off eco mode, okay? Eco mode. Turn it off here. So I wonder if you have to put this to run to start it. Yeah, so you would put this and leave it here. That's the remote. Yep, there you go. And to shut it off, you would just press this once. So I guess you have to keep it here if you want to use the remote. Okay guys, the Champion 4500 is absolutely quiet. We'll do the load test and see what it runs in the next video. But from what I see right now, this thing is absolutely quiet. And the fact that you can shut it off and start it. With the remote, that just makes it a champion. It is awesome. So quiet. This has been the unboxing of the 4500, the Champion 4500 with remote start. We're gonna run the generator for a couple days and then we'll come back and do a load test on it. Since the generator is brand new, I don't want to go ahead and put a load test on it yet. We're gonna run it. I'm gonna change the oil and then we'll do the load test. That way we don't stress out the generator. If you like this video, guys, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. All right, thanks and have a nice day. Bye. Thanks for watching Gavin's Garage.